Hello everyone, welcome to Engineers Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. Okay, today we'll be studying uh, threads command in Solidworks, how it works. Okay, so this will create a bolt, a threaded bolt. You'll learn how you can generate threads on some profile. I'm giving it a length of it will be 60, and now sketch and polygon, let's say hexagon. Okay, and let's say this much it will be. Yeah, it will be okay. I think it's a bit bigger, let's say 14, or maybe much more less. 14. Okay, 14 is good. Okay. Oh man, I think okay. Now what will you do? Extrude it in this direction, and let's say 5. Okay, now here draw a circle, and its diameter should be 12 or 10 millimeters. Yeah. Extrude cut and flip outside, but in drafts. Okay. Draft should be 60 degrees. This and okay, so let me just decrease the length a bit, the dia a bit. 14 to 12 will be okay. Yes, I'll make it okay. Now go to features, and there is your command whole wizard, or there is a thread. Okay, if it is not there, you can check it in insert tool as well. Insert, and here you can see in features. In features you can see yeah, there is a thread. Okay, now thread location. So thread location, I want this thread on this edge. Okay, and now offset. If I apply offset, so I will select a surface, like let me select offset, so it means it has selected 1 millimeter from that edge. Okay, 1 millimeter away from that edge, but I don't want 1 millimeter away any offset. Okay, and another, there is the inch tape, metric die, and metric tape. Okay, so what is meaning of die and a tape? Tape is like, okay, for example, if I selected tape, then you can check the profile like this. It will be the threads will appear at just above this rod, this circular this cylindrical surface. And if I select a die, it means that the thread will be inside. Okay, So I'm selecting metric die, and since the diameter of it was 10 millimeters, so m10 is the nominal diameter of the cylindrical surface, and 1 or this side 1.25 and 1.5, these are the pitch of the um, thread. Okay, so m10 1, this is my um, thread. Okay, I want this thread, but here uh, you can change the pitch, but not but up to some extent, not like a 1.25 or this, or if you have like a certain, if you want it to change to 1.1, okay, it can be changed. But if you want to change it to 1.25, it has 0.5. okay, since the diameter is okay same, so it can be changed, but I am using the default. Now if I want to reduce the pitch, if I want to reduce the pitch, it will show an error. Okay, 0.75, or even for example 0.9. now it will show. If I decrease it more, it will not show. Okay, this is because the profile intersect, so it will not create your thread here. Okay, now cut thread or extrude thread. Obviously cut thread, I'm cutting through it. Okay, now just increase the length. Okay, the distance at which through which I want to cut my threads. Okay, so it should be offset, but I want offset outside, so that it cut the whole body, for example 2 millimeters outside. Okay, now you can see this is my threaded profile. Okay, threaded profile on a bolt. Okay, but in many cases you would have countered a situation in which you will require some pitch for a certain diameter, which will not be present here. For example, M10. In M10, for example, if I want a pitch of 0.75 or 0.5, for example, if I want this, so it will not be available here. So how would you draw these pitches, like 0.5 or 0.75, the pitches that are not here in available here in these certain or ready-made thread profiles? So how will you draw this? I will also make a tutorial video on that in the next video. Please like and subscribe our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.